Well, good day, everybody. We're back, and boy, we got a treat for you. Today, we're gonna do a water pump on my daughter's Mazda. Exciting. And we got it over here, and you gotta see this. It's so cute. It should have bunny ears on it. That's the water pump for this truck, car, whatever you want to call it. That's her. Isn't that cute? That is adorable. It should have whiskers on it.
Gotta start by taking the wheel off. We have air tools, but we're gonna do it by hand. Keep it simple for everybody at home. Just break them loose with a breaker bar.
Oh! Should have brought the impact gun.
Once you've broken them loose, you jack up the vehicle. Find a strong spot under the car and put a jack stand.
And lower the vehicle. Slowly. Finish taking the wheel off. And this cover is going to have to come off, so let's do that next. Ooh, they're pretty tight. I hope they don't break. They're kind of rusty.
We'll just give that a squirt.
Yeah, I get the other one too.
Yeah. And just grab an old bucket or margarine container. Put all your bolts.
Ooh, parquet, fancy.
Other side.
And the bottom. Good shot.
Remove any plastic clips.
Oh, that one. Sometimes these just spin. Get the thing behind it. Put a little help on it. There you go. And be sure to drop the liner right on your head, too, eh? Let's do this the Sarah way. Not that I would ever do anything like that.
Oh.
I believe. Oh, that's it. Right there. Oh, God, can I even get that in the shot? Right there. That would be our water pump. And oh, that belt's a maze. I think I did something like that at the napkin of McDonald's once when I was younger. Yeah, oh boy, she's not so cute now. She's right up against the frame rail in here. This is going to be tight. Like it always is. Okay, well, let's get those bolts out.
While he's taking the bolts out, I'm going to drain the radiator. Take the cap off the overflow bottle to make it drain more faster.
More faster?
More faster.
I want more faster. Oh, there it goes.
Whoa.
Yeah, you can hear it coming out now. Go ahead and break these all loose before we take the belt off. It'll help. Oh, I just skinned a knuckle. Just like that. Are you still pissing? I think you're worse than me at night. Take the pulley off.
She's still pissing.
Yeah, 3 bolts. There's one there, one over here, and there's one at the top. We're going to try and leave the belt in place as much as we can, so because there's more going on up there too. Like, it's not just all these. There's yeah, there's more to it than just that. And wow, that looks like it'd be fun to route. And this is the tensioner here. We'll relax that when we put the new one in and put the pulley on. That's how we'll do that. I went to put a 10mm on it. I think they're 8mm. Yeah, sure shit. She's 8mm. That's what's holding it on. Yep, there she is. Cool 8 mil. Still pissing. Get a bar up in there. Boy, it's something sturdy here. See if we can get her started breaking loose. Slide it out of the block. More pissing. Grab that real quick.
Yeah.
Yep, she's coming loose now. She's just about out of there. Gotta get it the rest of the way by hand. Yeah, I think I can. Alright, and that is how you say that. There she is. Oh, more pissing. Good. There's the old one. That's her right there. There's the old seal, and there's a mark in it there, so that might have been a problem. Probably during installation. The bearing seems to be okay. Not much play in it, but the seal is gone, and that's why it's leaking. Now we're going to install the seal on the new pump, and you see there's a groove there. Well, that's where this O-ring goes. Before we put it on, take a little petroleum jelly and just wet that on. It'll help it slip back in the housing. It'll also make it slip over this real nice. Put it on like that. And there you go. And when you're installing it, it won't tear or anything. It should slide right in. I sure hope. Anyway, here's open. And there you go. We'll go ahead and clean off our mating surface as best we can. A little oily, isn't it? There we go, just like that. Okay, and try and get our pump in there. Yeah, it's a little tight. Better put the impeller in first, eh?
Mm-hmm. Probably a good idea.
Yeah, try to line up the holes here. Straight in. Oh, I think we got it.
All right.
Yeah, that's her. Just gonna put them all in finger tight first, then we'll go around and tighten them down. Just like that. Just gonna go ahead and start snugging these up. We'll go around a few times and take it down gradually so it's flat and it seats good. Okay, these are going into aluminum, so like I said, don't go crazy. They're only 8 millimeters for a reason. While you're in here, and you got that belt loose, it's a good time to check these pulleys, see if they feel gritty or they're real loose or anything. And they seem to be spinning pretty free.
That's good.
Put the pulley back in. Bolts back in. Oh, that's a tight spot. Well, there's
bet.
one. Oh. Last one. There we go. Just finger tighten those down. And we'll put the belt on it to hold it so we can tighten it up. Okay, take our 17 mil, put on the end of your tensioner pulley. See how that moves like that? And that'll give you enough slack to get her on your water pump. Just like that. There you go. Now we can tighten them up. Give those a good tighten. And if she moves like that, I'll get her, go around once first, just quickly. And that's fine. Just get them all, we'll work them down gradually. If she moves like that, just grab the belts and squeeze them together like that. And that should hold her steady, just like that. Oh, well, that's good and tight. And that's it. That's all she needs.
And we're going to go ahead and fill the rad.
And we're going to use this Celsius pre-mixed It's just easier. We don't have to mix it or anything. And it's cheap. Just gonna put a little bit in and check for any obvious leaks.
Looks good so far.
All good?
Yeah.
Go ahead and fill that up the rest of the way.
Don't forget to pet the cat.
Now, there's a good chance there's some air in that system though, but these are actually pretty good. This is the highest point on the car, and it should come out of there. We'll leave the cap off for a bit, let it bubble, and we're going to start it and run the heater core. And if you feel heat coming out the vents when the engine's warm, well, then you know the water's circulating. If you don't, if it's blowing cold air and the engine's been on for a while, well, then you've got an airlock. And hopefully we won't, but if we do, we'll fix that too. Go ahead and start her up. All right, let's take a quick look for leaks. The belts are turning, that's good. I don't see anything dripping. Go ahead and turn the heat to full blast. Turn it to defrost and feet. Turn the fan up to high. What you want to feel. If you got any warm air coming out of there, make sure we get all the air out of the system, or the engine will overheat and she'll lock up. Okay, the temperature's coming up. And we do in fact have warm air here, so that's good. We don't have a vapor lock, good. Top her up some more. Reinstall the shield.
Put the wheel back on. And just twist them on finger tight.
Just for starters.
Yeah.
Just snuggie them up a bit. Then we'll put it down and we'll finish tightening them. All right, coffee. Gotta have a Star Wars cup. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. I hope this is helpful to someone. We had a lot of fun. Hope you did too. Good night, everybody.